Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. And as you can see, it is a mess in the Uncle Chris kitchen because I am getting ready for the church barbecue tomorrow.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
That's right. I'm doing the church barbecue tomorrow. So, we're going to see the mess tonight. But through the magic of YouTube, we're going to transport to tomorrow and see how things go. Come on, travel with me. Hey nieces and nephews, this is Uncle Chris, and I got my main camera woman.
Hello.
She won't be on camera. It's the voice of the woman I'm married to. All right. We've got some rice pilaf to go along with our wonderful shrimp kebabs we're doing. Oh yeah. We got hot dogs. Hot links.
Yummy.
Oh yeah. And oh yeah. I'm gonna do some shrimp kebab in a minute. But yes, this is what your Uncle Chris does when he's out at an event. Yeah. I'm gonna take these ones that are done and put them over here. We got shrimp kebabs over here. And as you all know, I put the heat on one side and a cooler side to make sure it cooks a certain way. My foil wrap is getting away from me. Nims, can you get my foil wrap for me? I'm sorry. Thank you. If you guys want some more to eat, you let me know. All right. Yes. Now I'm gonna put the other pork hot links on here to get the fire going a little more. Because something greasy always gets the fire going. All right. Shrimp wants to be done in just a minute. I got some hot links, turkey hot links done already. I got some hot dogs, chicken kebabs over here.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Well, my dear, how you like it?
I can't put my fork down, so I was trying to mix the chicken in with the rice, but I'm making it work.
Okay.
Very tasty,
what's
very
your name?
tender. My name is Peggy. I'm the pastor's mother-in-law.
Oh, the pastor's mother-in-law. All right. And you know got it.
Oh yes, all the time.
Very good. That's my sweetie on the camera.
Hi.
All right.
Yes.
So, go to Uncle Chris, Food Pantry Chef. What I do, I go to local food pantries and I show people how to cook from, and I also deliver food to people that cannot get out because there's a lot of people that are shut in.
Yes.
And I make sure they get food. I make sure. Yeah. You know, and she'll tell you, we do that. All right, so
This is delicious.
yes, and you all let me know. Y'all need some help.
All right. Our
Okay.
church is on the west side. We do a food pantry thingy, but I'm gonna let her know about
Oh, please
this.
do. 'Cause yeah. So go to the Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef on YouTube and subscribe.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
Hey nieces and nephews, how are you doing? And let me tell you, boy, me and Miss Brenda had a good time at the church barbecue that day. Now, I got a chicken here because I'm going to show you how I made that delicious chicken that everybody was raving about. Those chicken kebabs, this will be the same thing. So, the first thing I'm going to do is spatchcock this chicken. That means I'm going to fillet it so it cooks quicker and it absorbs the flavors better. Now, I'm not an expert. I'm going to show you how I do it, okay? I found the sharpest knife I could. You're going to go down the front, right down the breastbone. Now, watch your fingers. We're going to see if this is going to be hard to do or easy to do. Probably not. No. All right, let's cut. Remember, keep your fingers on the other side of the sharpness of that knife. Yeah. No, this is not easy at all. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, I think I got it. Now I'm gonna just split him open. I'm gonna cut a little bit more right here. Oh, and those of you who are wondering, yes, I do bleach and clean my top and my countertops. All right, he's opening up. Oh, good. All right. Now that I've got it open, I'm gonna give it a little crunch just to make sure it's all the way open. I'm gonna bring over my container and my secret ingredient, Italian dressing. Now, I'm gonna use this whole bottle on here, so I'm not worried about touching it because I'm gonna throw it away. Otherwise, I'd wash my hands while handling this. All right, we're gonna put him in here with the cavity open first. I'm gonna open up my seasoning. Wish I'd opened the bottle before I start the video. Hold on. All right, got it open. I'm gonna shake it up real good because I want all the seasonings mixed up. I'm gonna pour it right over top, the whole thing. Okay. Now, I'm gonna wash off my hands. I have some bleach water back here. I'm gonna take some garlic. Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Shy. I splashed water on Miss Shy. Oh, she didn't like that at all. Sorry, kitty cat. You know you're my favorite little lady. Well, a second. Okay. Let me just put this on here. Sprinkle it real good with the garlic. You're gonna be so glad you did. Okay? I'll put it all in there. Then I'm gonna take some garlic seasoning, preferably low to no sodium, and I'm going over it. Now I'm gonna take some black pepper and go over that. Now the fun part. You're gonna give him like a little massage. Yeah. You like that. I know you do. Okay. Let me start. Am I crazy? No. All right, now turn him over. Bathe him with the spices and the dressing. See that? Get in his shoulders. Yeah, that. Right. Get in his shoulders, all back here. Massage it real good. Okay? Now, not only are you mixing the spices together, you're working it into the meat of the chicken. Lift up the skin. Get all up under there. Open it up. Yep, separate it from the meat right there. Put it right in there. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing for the breast meat. Put it in there. Put it in there. When you're cooking, you can't be afraid to get your hands dirty. You know, old time cooks, that's what it was all about. Now that you've done that, flip him back over so that he's down in the spices. Okay? Let me rinse my hands off real quick. Now with my clean hands, I'm gonna put the top on the container. Work him around a little bit. Now, preferably, leave it in the icebox overnight for as long as you can till you're gonna cook it. In fact, if you leave him a day, maybe 2 days, it'll be perfect. Or an hour if you have to rush it, but at least an hour. And you can fry it, you can bake it, you can put it in the rotisserie. Okay? Now, I'm gonna put it in the icebox overnight, and we're gonna time travel and see what it looks like. All right, here we go. Hey, nieces and nephews, I got Dean on the scene here.
Dean on the scene.
Now, here's the chicken. I'm gonna try to gracefully put this on the grill.
Yum.
Notice I got the heat on this side, the cool on this side. I just want to sear it, and then I'm gonna move it over.
Oh, what you do, Uncle Chris? You cut the chicken in half and just put it flat?
Yep.
Where's the chicken?
Don't you want to cook it on the
But no,
wrong side
I
first?
just want to get the grill marks, and then we'll flip it back over.
Oh, okay.
All right. Then we're gonna let this cook for a little bit.
So, Uncle Chris,
Right
what
back.
did you marinate it in?
Italian dressing, garlic, some pepper, and that's about it. Introduce yourself.
I'm Chiquita Bonita.
All right.
Thank you and hanging out with Uncle Chris at the food pantry, and thank you. This is what we're gonna eat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That take.
Right off the grill. Right off the grill. I like that.
Oh yeah. All right, the chicken is done. Look how that came out. We've got corn. We've got hot links, burgers, hot dogs. Oh yeah. Now the sauce goes over the chicken. Oh yeah. All right. That looks good. Whew, I am a sweaty mess, but it's going to be worth it. We're about to chow down, and I hope you try this recipe. I want you to like, comment, subscribe, write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. All right. Big love. Tomorrow.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Every